What's up guys? How are ye all keeping? Happy Monday. I'm just after doing a makeup tutorial using Essence and it's all very glowy and bronzy today. I have to go and do a business or a work conference call right now, so I said I would just pop in to see how you guys are doing today because I have a couple of other things that I want to do throughout the day. And I definitely need to go through those storage boxes. So many of you guys have been asking, can I do that on camera? So I said, yeah, okay, well we can go through the storage boxes together to see what's in them. And the other thing I guess that I wanted to mention to you guys is, it's really sunny here in Ireland today. That's not the other thing I wanted to mention. I actually put up stuff on my Depop yesterday, which I thought might be of interest to some of you guys if you want to purchase some makeup products. I'm going to try and put clothes and stuff up on that. They're mostly products that I bought myself with my own money and I have never used them, and they're just sitting there because I bought them for, let's say, a makeup tutorial or something, and that video didn't end up happening, so they're just kind of like lying around. I said I may as well sell them because what else am I doing? I'm only going out once though to post them, so if they're not all sold by then I'll just have to wait till the lockdown's over, because the last thing I want to be doing is going every day to the post office. That ain't happening. Not in lockdown, it's just way too risky. So what did you guys get up to for the weekend? I had kind of a bit of a up and down weekend. Thursday and Friday were really bad days for me, just like probably the worst days I think I've had so far in lockdown, and I don't know if it was just due to PMS or am I just really missing Paddy, but it was just a lot of very upsetness. So I was talking to him on Saturday night and he was like, no, it was Friday and Saturday I was feeling like this. So I was talking to him on Saturday night and he was like, what's wrong with you? And I was like, I don't know, it's just really hard. And he was like, yeah, look, it is hard, but it'll be over soon. He's really positive. Like, he's one of the most positive people I've ever met in my whole entire life. He's not positive to an annoying degree. He's like positive as in like when you feel crap and you kind of explain it to him, he gives you the positive sides to it. Like, you know the way some people are like so positive and like jumping around the place and you feel like you can't even be in bad form around them because they just wouldn't get it. Like, he's not like that at all. He totally understands. I don't know what it was, and I have suffered from anxiety. I've been on medication for anxiety. I've talked about that. I had to go to counselling and everything for it, and a multitude of other different things. It was really bad those 2 days. It was just super bad. I felt like there was nothing that I could do or nobody could say anything to me, but he ended up like just turning it all around. He's a good one. He's a keeper. So yeah, that's how my weekend went. Sunday wasn't too bad. I had a lovely dinner yesterday with my parents. It was delish. It was like a nice Sunday roast. We don't really do Sunday roast. Like, we haven't, like, it's not that we don't do it. It's just not like a routine. Like, I know some families have Sunday roasts. Like, that's what they do every Sunday. There's like no change in it. Whereas we're not really like that in this house. It's kind of like, you know, we'll have whatever. Friday is always takeout night. Always have a takeout on Friday. There's like, that's been going on since I was a child. I've never not had a takeout on a Friday because it was always like a treat night, so you could have whatever you want. Obviously when I was like a little kid it was always like McDonald's, and even now if I could get McDonald's it would be McDonald's. Like, I miss McDonald's so much. I was talking about that in the video I was just filming, and I know it sounds like such a stupid superficial thing, but I really miss McDonald's. It's my favorite takeout ever. Like, I love it. My favorite junk food. I think I'll live without it for a while. Lockdown is going okay other than the weekend, but I hope you guys are keeping well. My hair is driving me absolutely bonkers because I just really want to like trim off so much of it. I keep threatening to trim it and then I'm like, no, I'm gonna really mess up my hair if I do that. But I think I'm just gonna do it. Feck it, who cares? Hair grows, who cares? Just do it. I'll go around looking like a ratchet mess whilst in lockdown. I don't really care. That's my timer. I actually do need to go because I have to get on the phone in like 8 minutes. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm back. I just finished my second video of the day, which is doing a Mac video. It was talking about my recommended Mac products. I feel like it's been so long since I've talked about Mac and I just really wanted to talk about some of these products today, so I just did a video on it. My meeting went really well. So I have a couple of bits of work to do right now. So I said I would finish off my YouTube video and then I would go and actually do my other work. So that's what I'm going to do now. I really feel like I'm neglecting YouTube, but I can't help it. But you know, I have to I have to work as well. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm coming back to you later on and we'll see how we're getting on once I'm finished all my other work. Hello guys, and happy Tuesday. I never finished yesterday's vlog, so I said I would vlog again today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. I hope your Monday was lovely as well. What did you guys get up to? I'm just after finished filming this video, which is the Alexa Demi eye look, which everybody I think and their mother has seen at this stage, but I said I would recreate it just for the YouTube. I was really busy with work yesterday evening, so I didn't get to come back and vlog, and I actually need to go back and do more right now, so I'm just kind of filming in between, like when I can, and just trying to get stuff done, get a couple of videos up for you guys. I want to be doing more than 2 a week because I feel like I've completely neglected YouTube, but like I said yesterday, it's just the way things are at the moment. It's just kind of busy with my other work. I did mention that a while ago, but I hope you guys all understand. Anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs and make something to eat because I am famished. This eye look should be up already. If it is, I'll link it down below. If not, it'll be coming very soon. I really enjoyed actually doing this makeup. Poor little Chewy is on the ground. He's asleep. Is he? No, he's not. He's blinking. Poor Chewy was at the vet yesterday and he's not well at all. He has a bit of a gastrointestinal thing and he has very sore eyes. It's just because he can't get groomed at the moment, so we're kind of cutting him ourselves, and just around his face, it's very difficult to get near his face. He won't let you touch it. He doesn't like you touching his face. He does not like you going near his eyes in particular. So it's kind of tricky to do it. So when he's in the bath, we try and clean his eyes, but he hates it. So at the moment, he's just getting salt and water eye washes, and he's on a little eye drop, and he's on antibiotics and on a little bit of a painkiller. Poor Chewbacca. Hopefully you'll feel better soon. And he's just a bit out of sorts as well, aren't you? Such a good boy. Hey guys, I'm finally finished work. It's been going on all evening. I just uploaded a video which took me forever to upload as well, which was this eye look. I just did the thumbnail there a while ago. God, my makeup looks chronic right now. It's been on for hours. I think I need to take it off. So I just finished the thumbnail. This is it. That's the eye makeup look. Isn't she just so gorgeous? The makeup looks unbelievable on her, and I hope I kind of pulled it off in this video. I actually really like the fox eye look. I'm gonna try and do a tutorial on how to achieve it properly. Like, obviously this is very dramatic, but I want to do like a more subtle, I guess, one. And I want to go have a shower now as well, actually, and wash my hair. Patty and I had a Zoom date last night. It just makes me realize how much I miss him as well, and I'm really looking forward to when we can move around, possibly in Ireland, although that might not come for a while. I know our lockdown is supposed to end on the 5th of May. They say that it could continue a little bit longer, and then they said that the restrictions aren't going to be lifted too much, so in other words, you're not going to be able to go too far, which is fine as long as I can just go see him. I don't care. He can come see me after that. I don't really mind. I'm still going to avoid my elderly grandparents because they're very vulnerable. I don't know about my sister, if I'm going to be able to see her, because like I've said before, her boyfriend, sorry, I'm just trying to rub this in. Her boyfriend is in the healthcare system, so he's a carer, and obviously it wouldn't be great for her to be coming over to my house when she's around him, and just in case, you know, because if he got sick he couldn't do his work, and if somebody here got sick, because my mum actually has autoimmune disorder, and then, you know, it just wouldn't be good. So I don't know what the story is or when I'm gonna see her and stuff, but hopefully it'll be soon and restrictions will be lifted a little bit. But to be honest, the way the country is right now, I can't see it being too much of a lift on what's going on right now. I'm just gonna watch Pink Sparkle's latest video. I don't know if you guys have ever watched Samantha. Like, I've followed her since the beginning of YouTube, before I even had a channel. I would say for the nearly the guts of 10 years, and I do really like her videos. They're kind of like my little guilty pleasure. I just find her videos quite relaxing. There's nothing too serious going on in them, and they're just real light-hearted content. So yeah, if you like that kind of light-hearted, kind of fun YouTuber, I really like her. I think I like her so much because I've just been watching her for so many years, but I've been watching her lately, and an awful lot of her comments are really vile. like, I don't know how she deals with the comments that she gets. Like, I know Trisha Paytas gets, I used to love watching Trisha Paytas's. Like, lately her channel's kind of gone a bit crazy. There's been like the most strangest things that she's coming out with. I don't know, I understand she's a troll, but some of the trolling is just getting really out of hand. Samantha's not a troll at all. Like, I really don't find her like trolling, and she's getting really horrible comments in her comment section. I don't really read other people's comments that often, but sometimes I'll just like kind of, I don't know, wander down into the comment section. Don't we all? Comments have been just really vile, really horrible, really mean, and I just don't understand it because I don't know, like I said, I've been watching her for years and I think that she's really cool. Like, I like her. I think she's real lighthearted. Maybe I'm just really wrong and I'm not seeing what everyone else is seeing, but like I said, have watched her for years. Like, since I was a teenager I've watched her. So I've watched her since like the beginning of her YouTube. Like, I've followed her the whole way along. I don't know, it's really weird the way she's getting really horrible comments. I don't like it. I hate seeing such nastiness and I don't understand it. I don't know, I don't get it, especially with like the videos she does. There's like no need to be nasty. Sometimes I can see why Trisha gets the comments she gets, because I do see the content she's putting out and I'm like, oh good god, like, you're gonna get backlash in that. And I know she's a troll, but like some of the videos I'm like, oh, I can't watch that, and I can't deal with that. Like, and for me to say that, that's kind of, because I'd be able to tolerate an awful lot, but with that, But anyway, I really like Sam, and I feel really bad for like reading the comments. I think it was not in this video, but the last video or the video before that, and I was like, oh my god, if I was getting those comments I'd be crying every single day. Like, I really would. They're really hard to read. Even me, who's not like, you know, it's not my channel or anything, I find them difficult to read, and if I was getting them it would just really hurt my feelings. I don't know how she does it, but I don't know what's with the nastiness. I really don't get it. Okay, so I'm heading for a shower, and then when I come out I'm going to attempt to trim my hair, cut my hair. I keep talking about it, I know I'm probably annoying you guys, but I really just need to sort it out. I attempted on one bond up here to take it out with olive oil. I don't know if you can kind of see it. I got all the hair out of it, but I still have the little bond right up there. So the olive oil did break down the hair on the bottom, but the bond is still attached, so that's a bit annoying. And it's really soft. So if I could just get all the bonds really soft like that, and then over a few days just keep soaking them in the olive oil, they'll break, but all of the strand of hair is still intact. It's just like a tiny bit of the keratin bond there, but it's so squishy and I can like move it around in my fingers. Ugh, it's going to be a long process getting these hair extensions out, I can tell you that, and I just really don't want to damage my own natural hair. That's why I'm just using olive oil, soaking it on the bonds, and the bonds then become real squishy, and the hair, like part of the extension hair, it just kind of like comes away, whereas the bond itself, I can just feel it getting softer and softer. But I just don't want to damage my own natural hair, so I don't care if I have like loads of oil in my hair. I might just do like a soak of oil or something to try and release them, but I really don't want to damage my hair. But I didn't damage any of that hair, like it's all still intact. It's just trying to get the actual keratin bond away, so you can see that the hair has grown and everything. Anyway, going for a shower and then we'll give this hair a trim, I think. So I'm out of the shower. I didn't get to take my eye makeup off properly. It's like stuck on my eye, so I'm going to have to wipe that off a bit better. I'm gonna dry my hair and then we're gonna chop it. I would chop it wet, but you know the way your hair shrinks when it dries, so I just want to be able to see exactly where I want to cut it, so we're gonna dry it first. Okay, so my hair is now dry and I'm gonna cut it. I'm not really, hang on, I need a hairbrush. Ooh, I'm not really worried about what way I cut it, like if it's like a good cut or not, because my hair is, like I'm taking out my extensions anyway. I just don't want to cut my natural hair, and there's all like little natural bits here, so that's the longest, where is it down there? The longest natural bit, so I just don't want to go any shorter than that than my natural hair, but I want to cut some of the length off this. It's just turning into a bit of a mane. So I think I want to go maybe about here. So I want to cut off that. So it's not that much. Like I said, I don't really care if this isn't perfect or if it's not even nice, because I'm taking out my extensions, I'm in quarantine, and hair grows, so I don't really care. Let's move the camera down a bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. The state of my room as well, guys, sorry about that. I'm not even measuring this, I'm not even doing anything, I'm just cutting it. I'll fix it up. It's really blunt, but I'll fix it up. There's hairdressers and people looking at me all over the world who know how to cut hair, just dying inside. Don't worry, guys, I haven't a clue what I'm at. Okay, well, that's like straight enough, I guess. Like, it's just a real blunt cut. I'm sure it's probably all over the place, but again, I don't really care, so I'm just going to continue cutting my hair. Let's just measure some of the bits. I actually have a better scissors. This one here works way better. So maybe I might just cut this hair with this. I don't think I'm doing too bad of a job. I could definitely be doing worse. I think it's okay. Like, I know it's not like cut straight or anything, but nobody's... Come on, I'm in lockdown for the next 2 weeks. No one's going to see me, so... You know, it doesn't matter if I have crappy hair. Like, I think it's okay. Moving on to the next segment, and I'm just gonna cut this bit here as well. Okay, so I need to just cut all these like little dead bits off the end. I think I'm doing okay so far. You guys are probably looking at me dying inside. Please don't. And don't fear for my hair, because it, like I said, they're all extensions. This isn't even my real hair. Okay, I definitely cut that front bit there way too short. Oh damn. Oh no. You can see that there. That's really bad. Oh well. Oh well. That's definitely the worst thing I've done so far with this hair. Oh crap. Obviously I'm not going to leave the bottoms of the hair like this. I know I need to like cut into them, but I'll do that as I'm going along. Okay, don't look down while you're cutting your hair, because it'll just F it all up. I think I'm pretty much done now. I've chopped all the hair that I need to cut off, and I sufficiently look like my hair was cut while I was drunk. It's not the worst job, but definitely not the best job. Fine, it'll do, it'll grow. I'm not really worried about it. It feels so much lighter, actually, to be honest. It feels way lighter. I think that's enough damage for one night. I'm going to bed now and we'll sort this growing out in the morning. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my little meltdown in lockdown while I cut my hair off. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Mwah. Bye, guys.